Hey, if you want to take the macro photos with your Huawei Nova Y61, I can definitely recommend you to do not use the macro mode. That's dedicated to super macro. I can definitely recommend you to use the normal zoom feature. So you have to hold your phone steady, point into your object, and try to zoom in, catch the focus, and try to hold your phone steady. Then you have to just tap on the shutter. When the photo was taken, you can just take a look on it and you can spot a lot of details. You can also try to put it closer, and also we can try to use this high resolution mode. Right here we are not able to zoom in, but we can try to turn on the flashlight to get better lighting condition, and we can try to put it a little bit closer to the phone. Take the photo and of course hold your phone steady, and also we can take a look on some details. But honestly, for me, it looks like the normal zoom feature looks definitely better. So yeah, that's all. Bye.